Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Obviously you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video that I no longer have the Corsa. This video is literally just to explain into a bit more detail, as I've posted it on my social media, just to basically let everyone know that I've not got the car anymore. So yeah, this video is just to go over all the details, just to basically say why I haven't got it anymore. So for about just under 2 years, the car had a suspected timing chain issue, which on Corsas is quite a common fault. And basically, if it's not repaired, your whole engine can be completely destroyed by it, and the car cannot be drivable unless you get an engine rebuild. So when I passed my test, I thought, okay, I'll use the car, build up some money, then just get the car into the garage to get it fixed. So yeah, I got some money behind me, and I was like, yeah, okay, put it into the garage. So I got it all booked into the garage. Then for whatever reason it couldn't go into the garage on the set day, so we delayed it a week, and yesterday, which was Wednesday the 25th of November, we was meant to take it in. I took it in the morning, and the timing chain was meant to be done. It was going to have a full service, and there was something else, can't remember what. I think it was something to do with the radiator or the water pump, or something was going to be changed. And yeah, the car was basically going to be running back to normal, like a normal car. But yeah, I got a phone call at like 1 o'clock or something from the garage, just to basically say there's more than just the problems we've noticed, like there's more to the car than you think. So at that point I was like, shit, that's going to cost me more money. So he basically said all the parts and stuff all the money it's going to cost me to fix the car, get it up and at least running, it's probably not going to be worth putting on the road. So I had the choice of either stripping the whole engine out, like the complete bonnet out, having an engine rebuild, and then or just scrapping the car basically. And for that car, for what that car actually is, there's no point. There's no point spending that money on getting an engine rebuild for a Corsa. I mean, it's just, there's just no point. I mean, I'm obviously gutted about it because it's my car. Like, you know, I use it every day for like everything. For work, yeah, I just use it every day, and I didn't realise how much I needed it until it's gone. Yeah, it's shit. It's just one of them things, I suppose. And I can already tell what people are thinking. They're probably thinking, oh, why are you so bothered? It's only a Corsa, it's only a 1.2. Like, why do you care so much? I care because I got the car purposely on stock, in stock, so I could do stuff to it for this channel, and I'd put so much time and so much effort into making it how I wanted and modifying it with things that I wanted to put on it, just to make it look better, literally just for it to be taken away like that. And I'm not saying I've spent ridiculous amounts of money on it, because I haven't. But at times where I thought I could either buy this for the car and make a good YouTube video out of it, or I could save that money and get something better, but I don't know how to fit it, so I can't make a YouTube video. So I've always thought ahead in terms of making videos, and yeah, it's just shit because, like, apart from the YouTube videos, I've not got anything to show for that car now, because it's just going to be scrapped. I mean, I'm going to go back to the garage either today or tomorrow and basically get a lot of the mods off it, just because I can sell them for some money. I can try and get a bit of money back from it, but then in terms of trying to save the car, there's no point, so I'm just going to get it scrapped. And now it's just the painful part of having to try and find another car, another decent car now, because that car was, for what I paid for it, that car was good. It was from a family member. The car was never really used. It was only used to take like rubbish and like all that sort of stuff to the tip, or just to get rid of stuff. It had, at the time, it had 82,000 miles on it, and I paid 400 quid for it. And the only suspected problem was the timing chain. But yeah, like I say, the garage, they was doing an oil change on it, and as he took the sump plug out, there was just like shards of metal just fucking flying out of the car. So yeah, but I am glad that the garage is honest with me, because if they would have just seen the fault and thought, shit, okay, let's just do what he's told us to do, put the car back together and then give it back to him, let him waste however much money we've quoted, and then when he goes down the road his car will just completely fucking, his engine will fall out or something. But yeah, I'm just glad that I've got an honest garage, and yeah, that's all I can really say about that. But yeah, so I'm on the hunt for a new car. I don't really know what I want. I mean, there is cars that I want, but they're just either they've got too many miles or they're just too much money. But I will find something. I'm going to find something that's going to replace the Corsa, and it's going to be on the channel. So I'll make a video as soon as I find the car, and then obviously I'll start making videos on mods and stuff. But yeah, I want to just quickly say thank you to all you guys as well on Instagram or Snapchat, Facebook, whatever. If you're watching this video, thanks for all your kind messages about the car, because I'd obviously posted on there saying about it. And I didn't actually realise how many of you guys supported the series that I've been doing with the Corsa. It's actually insane. I mean, I'm a small YouTube channel. Like, I've got a small YouTube channel, and to have like 15 or 20 people message me saying, "Oh, gutted about the Corsa, man. I hope my Corsa doesn't fuck up like that," or whatever, or just anything like that. It's motivational. Like, it makes me want to make these videos. Hence why I'm up at 8:10 in the morning making this video. But yeah, thank you to all you guys for all your kind messages and stuff. I'll sort a car out as soon as possible, but in terms of YouTube videos, I probably won't be able to make any until I've sorted that out. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Why lately everyone cross me, I can't trust nobody. I be praying to God to put me in that new Bugatti. If my brother need it, you know he got it. If I got it, we pull up while you hiding. Hop on my slam sliding.